Most people struggle with English because they think in Hindi first and then try to translate every sentence word by word into English. And this translation habit slows the brain, breaks the flow, and creates hesitation. You cannot speak fluently as long as your mind is stuck in this Hindi English conversion loop, so the first step is to change the way you think. English speakers never translate. They simply express the idea directly, and you must build the same habit. For example, if your mind says, "Mere paas time nahi hai," don't translate it to English. Simply express the idea, "I'm busy right now," or "I can't do this at the moment." The more you focus on ideas, instead of Hindi sentences, the more natural your English becomes. Another powerful rule is short thinking. Hindi sentences are long and descriptive, but English is short and direct. Hindi: मुझे लगता है तुम्हें थोड़ा टाइम लेना चाहिए. English: I think you need some time. The shorter you think, the faster you speak. A third method is visual thinking. Don't think in words, think in pictures. If you imagine yourself walking home, your mind naturally forms the sentence, "I'm going home." Your brain reacts faster to images than to words, which automatically breaks the translation habit. Another game-changing technique is using English patterns. Native speakers use ready-made frames like, "I think," "I feel like," "the thing is," "I'm not sure, but..." With these patterns, you can create hundreds of sentences without worrying about grammar or translation. Fluency doesn't mean perfect grammar. Fluency means not stopping. Even if your English is slightly imperfect, people will still understand you clearly if you speak with confidence. So keep it simple, keep it clear, and do not pause. For daily improvement, follow a 5-minute routine. Imagine a situation. Speak 5 simple lines in English. Convert Hindi thoughts into ideas. Use one pattern to make 5 more lines. And finally repeat 2 lines to lock them into your brain. Within 1 or 2 weeks, your mind will naturally shift from translation mode to direct English thinking.